Hi there, my name is what expected on our video, right? So this should be short, another update in terms of what I've been doing to push my business forward. In case you don't know, I run a business for video and photo production, and my name is Somategis, right? So last week I said I was gonna go to Cape Town to take some pictures, street photography style. I went and did that, got some incredible results. And then also I said I was gonna shoot a music video. I did that, when was it? It was on Monday this week, right? Shot a music video, very fun stuff. The thing is, the song is like 2 minutes. It's an introduction to an album. The song is like 2 minutes, and we already have like 6 takes of the thing. And we're gonna do some other sort of change of clothes, change of scene, location and whatnot on Sunday, right? So this music video is gonna be, I'm not sure, on another level, and it's gonna be really like, what's this? It's gonna be trouble editing, right? Because now I have a lot of footage. There is just 2 minutes time. It's something I do best, but man, I would really like to use all of that footage. Given how good it looks, right? So that's gonna be something I'll deal with, and I'll update you on when I'm releasing that, right? And well, I'll show you the results at the end of this video of my street photography, like in Cape Town and whatnot. I said I was gonna do that. I did. I'm gonna continue to do it. Obviously, the weather this week has been very cold, raining and whatnot. I wanted to do some street photography when it's raining, but I have an exam coming up, so I need to be studying. Even this video, I shouldn't be doing it actually because of the time I have, right? So that's it, right? Also, busy looking for clients. I have seen most of the things I get is like, let's do a collaboration. You're gonna be taking videos of me or this whatever content I make, and then we'll split whatever revenue I make from this thing, right? Although that is nice at this stage, if anyone comes up with a deal like that for me, it's not gonna work, right? I need to be getting paid cash or whatever way, EFT or whatnot, in order to do gigs. That's how I work, right? Yeah, in case you would recommend me to someone and whatnot, and they're talking about collaboration, unless they're really high level and it's a once-off thing, it's not really gonna work for me, right? Once-off thing we may try, even if it's we can try once-off thing, but if it's gonna be a long-term arrangement, I can't afford to work for free. I really can't afford to do it, right? That's what I've been dealing with. I haven't done anything relating to my other gigs. No, the only gig I did this week was the music video, right? Yeah, what else? No, I think that's basically it for this week. I'll see you next week with another one. That's been it. Somategis. Oh, forgot to add one thing that happened with the street photography. I didn't take videos. Really doesn't make sense how a photographer / cinematographer goes to a location, shoots, and doesn't take videos. Really sad about that one. But I promise, in future videos, on future outings to take street photography or photographs, I'm definitely gonna take videos, a lot of them. Alright, be sure to be following my account, the Eye of the CT, on Instagram. Alright, that's been it. Peace.